Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable call recording feature in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to enable call recording feature in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in your settings, the very first I recommend you have to try to update your software. So go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you're up to date. There's no any pending updates for your software. Once you have checked, just go back from here. Then go to app section, select apps, and just look for phone app here. Select phone app, and here just look for the option of audio call recording. Select this option, then enable this from here. And once you have enabled, it will automatically record all of your audio calls. So in this way, you can easily record your calls on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.